In this video, I will show you how to add calendar to Google Sheets. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Sheets and then create a spreadsheet. Now in here, go ahead and click on the data button at the tools section, and then under that, go ahead and click on data validation. Now at the right side of your screen, click on add rule, and then from here, set the range to your preferred range. So make sure that you set the data range into the area where you want to apply the added calendar to, and then click on this OK button once you've set this up. Now make sure to set the criteria to is valid date, and then make sure to click on done to apply this. And then once you double click on that specific cell where you've applied that rule, you can go ahead and simply select the date that you want to use. And that is how you can basically add calendar to Google Sheets.